Hi! Today, we will talk about conditionals. What are conditionals? Conditionals are sentences that usually begin with if. We use them to talk about different possibilities, if something happens or happened. There are four main types of conditionals in English, as well as the mixed conditionals. These four types are the zero conditional, first conditional, second conditional, and third conditional. The zero conditional is for something which is always true. The first conditional is for something which is either likely or possible. The second conditional is for something which is unlikely or impossible. Third conditional is for something which is for something impossible because it's about the past. Can you see how conditionals go with this arrow? Zero, first, second, and third are all related to their level of probability, with zero being always true, all the way to third, which is totally impossible. Each conditional has two parts. These parts are called clauses. A clause is a part of a sentence. The two clauses in each conditional are the if clause and the main clause. We use the zero conditional to talk about something which always happens 100%. The structure is if plus present tense plus present tense. For example, if you mix blue and yellow, you get green. This is always true. In both the if clause and the main clause, we use a present tense verb. In the if clause, mix is in the present tense, and in the main clause, get is in the present tense. Some more examples. If you heat water to 100 degrees, it boils. Heat is present tense. Boils is present tense. If you press this button, the TV turns on. Press is present tense, and turns is present tense. You can also swap these clauses. So you can say, if you mix blue and yellow, you get green. Or, you get green if you mix blue and yellow. Or, if you press this button, the TV turns on. Or, the TV turns on if you press this button. Zero conditionals are used for scientific facts, explaining instructions, and other things. For more examples, look at the description box or go to our website, which is www.englishmadesimple.org. Right now, let's talk about the first conditional. The first conditional is the most important conditional in the English language because it's the one you need for real everyday life and to discuss possibilities. It is used to talk about real possibilities or situations. The structure is if plus present plus future. Example: if it is sunny tomorrow, I will go out. Is present tense. Will go is future tense. If I have enough money, I will buy the shirt. Have is present tense. Will buy is future tense. If I see the teacher this afternoon, I will give him the homework. See is present tense. Will give is future tense. Remember, we can also swap the clauses. So we can say, if it is sunny tomorrow, I will go out. Or, I will go out if it is sunny tomorrow. If I have enough money, I will buy the shirt. Or, I will buy the shirt if I have enough money. We can also use the first conditional with modal verbs. So, for example, if plus present plus modal verb. If it is sunny tomorrow, I may go out. If it is sunny tomorrow, I might go out. May and might are both modal verbs. We can also use the first conditional with imperative verbs. So, for example, if plus present plus imperative verb. If you go to the shop, buy me a sandwich, please. Buy is an imperative verb. If you see Peter, give him the book. Give is an imperative verb. In the next video, we will talk about the second conditional. If you have any questions, please ask in the comment section or on our website, www.englishmadesimple.org. Have a great day.
Hi guys! Thanks for watching English Made Simple. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and comment below and subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions, make sure to ask and we will try to answer. See you next time and have a great day.